Hi guys, and welcome to your YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can upload or move your Dropbox into your external drive. To do so, all you have to do is log into your Dropbox account by going on to Google Chrome and searching for Dropbox. From there, simply log into your account with using your credentials. After you have logged into your accounts and you're on the home page, all you have to do is go on to this grid option. Simply click on it, and now from here go on to the backup option. And after you are on the backup option, again go on to manage backup and open backup settings. After that, open Dropbox and it will open up the Dropbox app. As I have already opened this, you can see that it will take you to this kind of screen where if you want to add a backup to your Dropbox, you need to plug in an external hard drive or external drive in order to actually back up all of your data externally into another drive. So all you have to do is plug in your external drive into your laptop or your PC. After that, you'll be able to see that on here, and after that simply select on it and just back up all of your data of your Dropbox into the external hard drive from there as well, and you are able to back up all of the data on an external hard drive from there. And that is an easy process on how you can back up your data onto your Dropbox in an external drive. This is this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.